In today's video, we will have a quick look at the Keychron Q1 Pro custom mechanical keyboard. It has the DE ISO layout, was the fully assembled knob version in carbon black with Keychron K Brown switches. And with that, welcome to a new video on my channel. I know it was a long time since my last update, but I really hope that I can manage more frequent updates in the future. So fingers crossed that it will be like this in the future. What can you expect in today's video? First thing is that we have a look at the unboxing of the Q1. And after that, we will have a look at the typing sounds so that you can have an impression how it will sound when you are typing on the keyboard, typing sounds. One question now could be from your side, why the Q1 and why switching the keyboards? A long time I used this one, the Logitech G915 TKL, but somehow I wanted to have a foot into the mechanical keyboard situation stuff. And as you all know, or maybe not, there's a lot to learn. You can configure different keyboard types with different stuff. So it was really interesting topic to dig into. And after all my readings and my investigations, I decided to go for Keychron. It was a relatively easy decision because they are most of the time in stock. They are pre-assembled. They are, from the quality perspective, are they, in my opinion, really good. And what I wanted to have was a solid starting point for customizing the keyboard. So with the Q1, I have really a good solid starting point to go deeper in the mechanical keyboard topic. With that, I would say let's have a look at the unboxing. So let's get started. Now you could think that it's over with the unboxing, but the default charging cable, connector cable, which is in the package, was a bit too boring for me, so I ordered the matching aviator or coil cable. So now let's have a look at it as well. Another good point is the question where you can order the Q1. There are two different web stores. One is the global web store, I would say. The other one is the German Europe web store. At least that's how I understood it. So I ordered at keychron.de and not on keychron.com. But the funny thing was that the keyboard was dispatched from China, I guess. So it came not from a European warehouse, which I expected, because that was the reason why I ordered from keychron.de and not from the com. But it was dispatched from their China warehouse, so it took about 2 weeks. So I don't know if there are more different things which you have to consider in which web store you want to order. With that, let's have a look at the typing sound. One thing which I really don't want to forget to say is the VIA software is a browser software where you can really adjust everything related to the keyboard. You can save different profiles, yeah, and you can set the keys as you want. You have also the possibility to give different options to the knob, so with every direction you are turning it, there are different actions fired. Yeah, so the VIA software is a really nice tool to configure and adjust your keyboard. And as said, you can save different profiles for your adjustments, and that's really handy, I would say. And after the tapping sounds, let's get somehow to my summary of the keyboard. What really impressed me was the weight of the keyboard. It feels really stiff. It feels really as a high quality product, even though that I did not have any more experience with different mechanical keyboard vendors or producers. So I just can say for the Keychron Q1, it's a really good keyboard. I really had some problems switching from a low profile keyboard to this normal mechanical keyboard, so I had problems of typing. But as always, you just have to get used to it and just type a few thousand words, and then everything should be fine. At least it's now my case. From time to time I have some problems. I have still some problems with fast typing, but yeah, that's the issue with switching from low profile to the normal keyboard height. Until now, I'm really happy with the Q1. It's a good keyboard. It's really nice. It feels good. It's just, yeah, it's a good keyboard, and I guess it's a good starting point for further modifications. In one of the next videos, I want to show you how to dismantle it and show you the different parts of it, switching keycaps and switching some other stuff, so that you can hear the differences and what you can expect with different keycaps and so on. Yes, so maybe it was a bit a confusing video from my part, but that's how it is when you re-enter the game again, I would say. So I still hope that the video was somehow interesting for you guys, that it was that you can take something out from it. And yes, so if you have any questions, then write in the comments, or let me know if you want to see more keyboard topics on my channel, or if I should go back to the to cases and different ITX builds. Would be interesting to know what you want to see. Yes, so, but I have to admit, in one of the next videos, we will also have a look at the final mouse. I was able to order one, so have a look at it in one of the upcoming videos on my channel. Yeah, as said, I hope you liked it. So please, as always, please subscribe if you want. Please leave a thumbs up. It would really help. And therefore, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one, friends.